everybody, I just got the Genmitsu Smart Relay Controller in today and I wanted to unbox it really quick to see what's in it and let you guys know what everything looks like. So let's see, I have not looked in this yet. We have instructions. Here's the relay. It's in here pretty tight. There we go. It's got the enable button on there, 2 power inlets, on and off, your input, PM in, PMW out, or PWM, sorry, dyslexic, PWM in, PWM out. We've got cords, a bunch of different ones depending on your CNC setup. Power cable. Some extra screws, and that looks like that's it. Yep. Packed really well, really secure. So let's see what cords are in here. I'll lay these out so you guys can see. There's A-axis. This one says C. Maybe that's not axis. I don't know, the C. E. And D. Let's see if it has a list of what each of the cords are really quick. Ah, yep. Here we go. For the cables, we have signal cable A, the 3018 Pro, 3018 Pro Ver version 2, 3020 Pro Ver Max version 2, 3030 Pro Ver Max, 4040 Pro, and the 4040 Reno. Cable B is the ProVer XL 4030 version 1, Cable C 3018 Pro 3020 Pro Max, Cable D the ProVer XL 4030 version 2, and signal cable E is the 3018 ProVer. In case of the 6050 CNC, customers will need to use the laser cables that come with the CNC for connecting to the laser port. So that's what comes in the box. I will work on getting it all set up and you guys can see how that works.